All right, we're going to get fired up with the first ad campaign for this first one. We're going to be driving traffic and we are going to be going to a blog post. So you'll see migraine blog post traffic. Just kind of name my campaign so I know where I'm going. Probably do a couple of different things with this for the same type of deal. So just to give you an idea of what Facebook is doing based off of what you tell Facebook on these. So it's traffic, and if you kind of picture, this is all the traffic that is available to male, female, whatever you're going with. That's all the traffic available. Then it's kind of split up into different things. So let's say this group over here, 60% are people that'll click on an ad. And then you got another 60% that are people that will watch videos. And let's say that you got another 60% that will engage with posts and so forth. And then let's say you got another one for people that will, fill out web forms. To get the traffic, that's what you're running it for here, but you're leaving out all of these people over here through these different areas. So we'll come back with a video views. Depending on what we want to do, I don't often do lead generation. Sometimes I'll do some engagement to try and get some shares, some likes, some traffic on an actual post and not an ad. So I will promote a post, but that's kind of an idea of why we run multiple different types of campaigns, because we want to try and reach more people in there. So we've got that. We're going to go ahead and go through. I got everything all set up. We're just going to click through and take a look at it. And you can see here I keep my ad set name the same, and you'll see the ad is the same name as well, just very linear. If we scroll down through, the audience we're going with are people who live in this location. Once you start to see that you like the results from an ad, you'll see that the reach is about 200,000. You can move out to everyone in this location and it will broaden that out. It's not too common that you're going to get people that are just passing through that are going to, ruin your ad budget or anything else. But once you want to do a little bit of scale, and that's one of the ways you can do it, is you can just change it to that. So we're going to go 7 miles out. Age is 27 to 64, going to all. I used to split out into male and female. Sometimes I still occasionally do, but because of the algorithm, Facebook just does a really good job of serving this up to people that are going to click on it. So I don't need to worry too much about the men and women, but I do keep within the ranges that I want to stay below Medicare and stay up above, people in college or people just fresh out of high school or anything like that. So as we roll down, you're going to see my placements with click traffic like this. I've got it in both my Facebook feeds and my Instagram feeds. Again, occasionally people will want to split those out. On occasion I do for my videos. You'll see that I do, because if I have a longer video over 60 seconds, I only put it on Facebook and then I chop it down to 59 seconds for Instagram feed. But in here I got it the same. Keeping it on, again, both mobile and desktop. And I got my budget set for 10 bucks a day over the, again, a lifetime budget over 30 days, 300 bucks. I have it set for clicks. And then when you get charged, also link clicks. So this is most often set for impressions. So if you don't click there and change it to link clicks, you will find that it is on impressions instead of clicks. So if we continue through here, same ad name. I did create an ad. You're going to see here, fundamental health, single image. Again, the job of the image is to get the person to stop in their tracks and see what you got going on there. This was an actual free stock image, and I just searched green eyes. It's something that really stands out. Here's some things to look at with the image as well. You want some contrast details. So definitely the black and white, and then the green eye has definite contrast. And then anything with angles in it, again, kind of the human eye stops on stuff. So because like this eyebrow is on an angle, you can see this is on an angle. it catches people and they don't really know why they're stopping. They just see it and subconsciously it gets them to stop. Took a couple of the things from the blog post to get on here. You're going to see here the difference in the way these look too. This one, I'm just going to show them to click learn more, relief for migraines and severe headache pain, and nothing here as far as a read more. But when you go to desktop, you're going to see here it has a see more button. And so they might be able to click on that, but it won't charge unless they click on the link down here. And then Instagram, you're going to see that it looks smaller as well through there. Let's see, we've got the website URL in there for what it's going to. And then on this one, I'm just leaving the headline the way it is. I did put in add equals, and that's the same as what my blog post or my ad name is. And that's it. So we will click on, I don't know what this little warning is. We'll see if we can confirm past it. All right, and so it is in review, and we will come back in the next one and we will start to look at some video ads, and then we will also take a look at retargeting based off of this one along with some of the stats that we see from it. See you in the next video.